Welcome to Weekly Market Research from Fullerton Markets. Let's dive into the latest market trends and insights. S&P 500. U.S. stocks closed the week strong, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hitting fresh record highs, driven by strong earnings and trade optimism. The S&P ended at 6,388 and the Nasdaq at 21,108, while the Dow also posted gains. Over 82% of reporting S&P 500 companies beat expectations, including Alphabet and Verizon. Trade deals with Japan and Indonesia and the possibility of a US-EU agreement before the August 1st tariff deadline boosted market confidence. Despite global uncertainties, stable inflation, steady interest rates, and solid earnings are keeping investor sentiment positive ahead of next week's key earnings and Fed meeting. SPX USD on daily chart. SPX 500 has decisively broken above the 6,150 resistance, turning it into a new support zone. The breakout confirms bullish control, supported by strong upward momentum. As long as it stays above 6,150, the path toward new all-time highs remains open. Gold prices fell on Friday as the stronger US dollar and optimism over US-EU trade talks reduced safe haven demand. Spot gold dropped 0.9% to $3.336 per ounce, pressured by rising Treasury yields and positive U.S. jobless claims data. The U.S.-Japan deal and hopes for a U.S.-EU agreement are boosting risk appetite. Analysts say gold may find support around $3,300 but likely won't hit new highs until after the upcoming Fed meeting, where a future rate cut could be hinted. XAU-USD on daily chart. Gold remains range-bound between strong resistance at $3,430 and support at $3,170. Recent rejection at the top signals potential pullback toward the mid or lower range. A clear breakout above green zone or below yellow zone will define the next major direction. EURUSD. The EU is preparing for a no-deal trade scenario with the US as the August 1st tariff deadline approaches. While negotiations continue, Brussels has approved a 93 billion euros counter-tariff package and is considering its trade bazooka, a powerful anti-coercion tool. Trump says the deal has only a 50 to 50 inches chance. If no agreement is reached, the EU plans retaliatory 30% tariffs, though it may respond proportionally and gradually. The ACI, anti-coercion instrument, would be used later as leverage, not immediately, to pressure the US if talks fully collapse. EURUSD on weekly chart. EURUSD has successfully broken above the key weekly resistance at 1.1250, turning it into strong support. The bullish momentum remains intact, with price now aiming toward the next major resistance at 1.2250. As long as price holds above yellow zone, the uptrend bias stays valid. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these market shifts and their potential future impacts. We are Fullerton Markets.